Amber Marie and Company. I'm going to talk to you today about one of my very favorite things, and that's a beautiful table. I'm head over heels crazy about having a gorgeous table. I love to change my table for the season, and today I'm going to talk about a spring table. We have a gorgeous table here at Amber Marie and Company. Pink is the color for spring. I have to always have pink on my table at spring. Amber and I found these really pretty placemats and napkins that just say spring to me. They've got 2 or 3 colors of green, they've got the pink, they've got the yellow. So I think this sets a great spring table. The napkin looks great on top of the table with the pretty napkin ring. Bunny salt and peppers are not just for Easter, but all for spring. I love a pretty centerpiece, and this centerpiece is just, to me, head over heels gorgeous. It's gonna be gorgeous on anybody's dining room table, on a huge entry table. I love the colors. The tulips are beautiful in it. Also, can't do spring without bunnies. So this little bunny set right here to me is so cute with the mama and her 2 babies. Who wouldn't want that on their dining room table or on their entry table?